Hey folks, Terry here. I'm at one of the gyms that I work at, and I want to do a demonstration for you on what happens when you don't have the safety latches on in the bench press machine. So, taking these off, and I've got some dry spaghetti here that I'm going to use to help make this visually more impactful. Ready? Right under the bar, and again from up on top of the bench, close up. If the bar were to come down on you without the safety latches on, here you go. Let's look at that one more time in slow motion.